Has your Google Ads been suspended, leaving your campaigns on hold and your business in a blind? Don't worry, you are not alone. Google suspension policies can feel overwhelming, but the good news is that you can fight back with an appeal. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to raise an effective appeal and avoid common mistakes and get your account back in action. Stay tuned, so let's get into the screen. So we are on the screen and you can see one of my account is suspended. So for all the suspended accounts, you can find the suspended notification on top with red color. So this account is suspended due to Google Ads terms and conditions. So for every suspended account, if you have fixed the issue, you then need to raise an appeal, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to raise that appeal, because you don't get that appeal option directly on Google Ads account. So you have to find that appeal option. I'll show you how you can find it. So on the top where you see the notifications, on the right hand side you can find the option learn more. If you click on learn more options, you can find some information about suspended accounts, or what it means, how it gets suspended and what does that mean. So all that you can find the information here, but you still don't find any information about appeal. So once you find this information, you then click on and find all the blogs, and once you open up this blog, on the bottom once you scroll down, you can find an options submit appeal in blue color. So this option is not directly available or visible in first steps. You will have to find out in these blogs. So once you find out the option submit an appeal, click on that. Once you click on that appeal options, it will give you a red button to submit an appeal. If you have fixed the Google app, if you have fixed the issue, then click on submit an appeal option. Under submit an appeal options, you can find fields which you need to fill out, such as contact name. Make sure all the fields should be correct, because this is very important to fill out all the details correctly, so that Google can review the account and get it unsuspended. So you find the different fields: email address, CC email address, Google ad accounts, website, sample keywords to add on, billing informations they ask for, then they ask for other information. Once you fill out all the informations under here, then on the bottom you have the options to add the phone number, so that Google representatives can call you on the best time. And then at the end you have to provide a detailed summary of the issue. What was the issue, what you fixed, and why you want to raise an appeal request. So all that, once you do that, then you have the option to submit an appeal. Once you fill out the information, then submit the appeal. Once you submit the appeal will be submitted, and you can expect to receive a response from Google support within 24 hours. So they will be reaching out to you within 24 hours, or it can maximum takes a week. So that is how you can raise the appeal. And that's how you can raise a strong appeal for a suspended Google Ads account. Remember, the key is understanding why your account was suspended, providing a detailed and honest information, and following Google's process carefully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more tips on optimizing your digital campaigns. Let me know in the comments if you have successfully appealed a suspensions or have questions. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.